So this is the CSS that I have used in my front page.html. On this page, I'm doing some coding for my application front page. So I've put some button here. So this is the front page. So this is my CSS that I have used in my register.html. In this page where the user will insert the student details. So here I've used input type text, date, text area, select, and radio button. So this is the register form. This is dbcon.php where I make connection to the localhost, and then I make connection to the database that I've named as Tasca. This is registerform.php. On this page, the variable that I have used is equal to what we have inserted at the form before. Okay, and then at the equal part is where it will display what we have inserted. And then the $SQL is where the variable that I have used to insert data to the table register in the database. After that, at the run queue is where it will run my SQL underscore query, and it will check if the data have been saved or not. If the data have been saved, it will proceed to the next page, else the user have back to the previous page. So this is the output page. So this is the HTML and the CSS that I've used in the student underscore list.php. So it will echo or display all the student details in the table form. I use the while loop to get or fetch the data from the database. And as usual, I've used the variable. And then here I've used the href equals to editform.php, and this is where it will secure the IC number of the specific student when the user click the update button. So this is the page of the list of students. So here we proceed to editform.php. So here as we can see that we get the M that we have been passing before. Okay, here we can get the data of that specific student. So after that it will loop and display the data, and the user can do some update to the details and then submit again so that the database can get the latest details. So this is the update form, and then we can go to proceed to the after update.php. So this is the page where it will display again the student list after the user update the data. Okay, so here again I assign variable to the specific data that the user have input. I use some variable that use query at the front of the name. So this is where it will update and update the register table and set to the new data. So here it will select new data from the table register and do some looping to output the new data. So the highlight area is where the data have been updated. So Assalamualaikum. So here welcome to the Jasmin Smart Kindergarten. So here we have two buttons. After we click the register button, we have to fill up the form. Okay, just fill up the date, the text. Okay, okay, we have the red button, and then we submit. Okay, after we submit, we can see the data have been saved to the database. Okay, and then we click the link. Okay, so it can proceed to the next page. So here we have a list of students in the kindergarten. So we can see the name is Jasmin is there, and then we can update the details. Okay, we have the update form. So the user can update anything that they want in the form. So here we update the address and then update. Click the update button. Okay, so here we again had the list of students in the kindergarten. Okay, as we can see, the address have been changed or updated. Thank you.